my first Gundam in a very, very long time. Hi YouTube, this is Papa Keeves and you just caught me taking a break. As you can see, I have a Gundam. So, siguro last Gundam na nakuha ko is before pa nung wedding. Oo, pasalubong sa akin ng nanay tsaka kapatid ko from Japan nung pumunta sila. And it was the Death's Kite Hell Custom and Waltz Master Grade. So, ito yung Wing Zero Mobile Suit and Waltz version ka. Meron na ako nung original version ka. Meron ako nung Endless Waltz version. So, ito yung parang third iteration or third version nila from third version na labas nila. And it's supposedly an improvement on yung dalawang models na yun. So, for anyone who's not familiar with GunPla or Gundam plastic model making, ano na siya, parang makuha mo siya as a disassembled kit. Tapos yung mga parts na nasa runners, yung mga parang, paano ba i-explain yun? Parang yung mga parts niya is nasa isang plastic. Basta yung papakita ko na lang. Hirap eh. So, ganun siya. Pagka bumili ka ng kahit na anong Gundam model, ganun mo siya makukuha. Kasi ikaw yung bubuo. And, more or less, for display, for posing lang talaga. Yung And, you have certain levels of difficulty or parang detail sa mga models na yun. You have no grade, real grade. Alam ko may bago ngayon yung entry grade. No grade, entry grade, high grade, real grade, master grade, tsaka perfect grade. From what I remember, yun pa lang yung mga grades na alam ko. And that would parang dictate kung gaano ka complex yung bubuin mo, saka kung gaano ka detailed yung magiging model na magagawa mo. Before dumating yung batang maliit, meron akong 1, 2, 3, siguro mga nasa 9 GunPla models. More or less lahat nasa master grade. Kasi yung draw sa akin nung GunPla model making is yung pagbuo. Kasi mahilig ako mga lingalikot, magbuo na Lego. So you can see, mahilig yung pagbuo ng PC, parang it's the same thing. Building something. So yun yung yun yung gusto ko. So the more complex, the better. The longer the build, the better para sa akin. Hindi kasi kaya nung budget ang perfect grade ever since. Kasi ang pinakamurang perfect grade na nakita ko is nasa 10K plus. So, medyo pricey na yun for So, master grade is parang a good middle ground for me. Siguro nag-range siya from 2,000 to 3,000. Yun yung price range ng mga master grade na kinukuha ko. So, yun nga. Meron akong 9 models before dumating yung batang maliit. Pero nung dumating yung batang maliit, ilang tin niya, nagtabi lang ako siguro ng 4. So, most of the other Gundams is kanya na. And nilalaro niya. At least siya kapag nalalaro niya siya. Ako kasi hindi ko siya nalalaro. More on posing lang talaga. Building and then posing. Yan. So, siguro I'll give you a montage of me building this Gundam. And then after that, siguro I'll go over yung siguro how the build went. Here's the montage, here's the build, then I'll see you after. Here is the finished product. Yan, so this is how it looks. So this is parang ano lang, snapped on lang or kakabuo lang. Walang kahit na anong panel lining. Kasi meron mga ibang gumagawa ng Gundam na they actually line yung mga parang ayun, yung mga lines dito sa model para mag-pop. So maging visible with either black or gray. Ako kasi ever since di ko pa na-try mag-panel lining. Might try in the future, pero for now, mas na-miss ko kasi yung pagbuo talaga eh. So, binuo ko talaga siya. So, it took me around ano ba ka na? Siguro 2 hours per day, tapos 3 days. So, 6 hours ko siyang binuo. That's normally how long I build Gundams ever since. So as you can see, you get this. You get the Gundam. You also get a kasama to, a base, which is ganda value kasi ang base na ganito is worth around 400 plus na walang sale, tapos nasa 300 plus pagka may sale. So it's a 300 to 400 value add dun sa mismong model. And this kit is nakuha siya sa Lazada for 3,000 with shipping. Pero ano yan, I think 11.11 ko nakuha yan. So yun. So actually itong model na to has sentimental value. Sentimental ba? Or siguro pwede ko sabihin sentimental value. Kasi Wing Gundam, siguro yung mga ka-age ko, was introduced to Gundam with Gundam Wing. Yun yung parang unang-unang pinalabas na Gundam in mainstream dito sa Pilas. And ang first Gundam ko noon is yung Gundam na Taku. Pero ano lang yun, high grade lang yun. Pero yung una ko nabili na Gundam sa sweldo ko nung nag-work pa ako was yung Endless Waltz version ng Gundam Wing. So, technically, mukhang ganito. Pero, comparing it with that, this is a much better build and it has much better, parang, paano ko ba sasabihin? Mechanism pagdating sa wings. Kasi yung wings nun, hindi ganito ka, parang hindi ganito ka sturdy. Hindi siya, hindi siya, paano ko sabihin yun? Una itong mga feathers dito, rubberized yung hindi siya solid plastic. So, madaling matanggal. Ito talaga naka-lock in siya kahit na paano mo hilain. Tsaka, super posable siya. Kasi nga, solid plastic siya. So, yan. Tapos, ang gusto ko pa dito is this one. You can see, yung dual buster rifle niya is can be parang stored sa likod ng wings niya. And hindi siya hindi siya parang sobrang overweight na pagka tinilt mo pataas to. Yung bigat ng barrel will pull it down. Hindi, naka-steady pa rin siya. Actually, it's an improvement for both yung Wing Zero tsaka yung original na version ka. Kasi nga, it has much better mechanism for the posability. Kasi yun yung importante dyan, yung posability. So, you get forward movement. And para makita kung gaano kalayo yung pagka-forward movement niya. And backward movement. You get rotation dito sa forearm, rotation sa mismong braso niya. And then, bakit? Ganun pala nakaset yun. And then double jointed siya. See? It's double jointed. Tapos, ito yung legs. Sobrang tindi ng articulation. Itong mga parang palda can move as always. So, as you can see, that is, tapos pwede mag-open yan. Yan. Ganyan katindi yung parang niya, articulation ng legs niya. And parang ang daming moving parts ng leg niya. Parang it has so much detail for the legs. So yan. So posability and articulation is very good for this model. Lalo na kung mahilig ka mag-pose-pose. And then, picture-picture. So, yeah. And, actually, dito ba yun? Wala na. Yan, may kasama rin pa siyang shield. Yung parang buster shield niya. Yan. Here's the buster shield. Simple lang. It parang mimix yung design nung original na shield nung Wing Gundam. Tapos siguro lang, parang change color lang kasi yung Wing Gundam nun parang white and red yung color. Ito ginawa nilang blue, which is also good. Hindi ko siya masyadong hindi ko siya ginagamit ngayon kasi for yung pose na initial na nilagay ko is hindi niya kailangan yung yung shield na to. So yeah, so that is it. My first Gundam in a very, very long time. And not sure kung kailan uli lalabas. Kailan uli ako magkakaroon ng Gundam na bago. Pero when I do, I'll make a video about it too. Tapos, wala lang. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, I want to post videos about things that I like to do. My hobbies, my interests, and this is one of them. This is one of the longest ones, aside from gaming. Yeah, so, oopsie. Yan. So this is Wing Zero and the Waltz version ka. And it is nice. It is very, very nice. Guys, so nga pala, ipakita ko rin pala yan. Ito yung mga kamay niya, so it's yung mga fingers are interchangeable into any poses. Meron siya yung parang humahawak ng barel, meron siya yung humahawak ng espada, meron siya yung naka-fist lang, tsaka meron siya yung open hands. Mas gusto ko yung open hands kasi mas dramatic pagdating sa posing. Tapos, yan. Tanggalin natin yung barel. Kahit isa lang. So, this is the gun. It folds up para matago, ma-store dun sa under the wings. Yan siya. Tapos meron siya yung parang, meron siya yung mga additional gimmicks na ganyan. Na, for additional, ano ba sabihin natin? Yan. For additional, for additional design. Kunin din natin yung isa. And then, syempre, meron siya yung gimmick na pwede mo siyang pagdikitin. Para dun sa movie ng Endless Waltz. Tape up. So, here it is. The double buster cannon. Oopsie. Yan siya. Pero hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit for posing. Hindi ko lang siya feel. So yeah. So kung babalik mo siya, you just refold yung gun. So you fold it like that. Tapos yung sight pag ganyan. Tapos pagkababalik na siya, sa nakita. Lang. You just attach it here. Tapos fold yung parang handle. And it's back. And that's it. So yun. This video is not supposed to be parang a in-depth review or parang an in-depth review of this Gundam. Gusto ko lang talagang pakita sa inyo yung parang this as a parang yung yung one of my hobbies ever since. And para if kayo may ganyo kayo, you can try it. Start with either node grade or a high grade. Tapos if it floats your boat, pwede nyong i-try yung mga higher grades, like real grade daw yung pinakamaganda ngayon. It's not as expensive, pero the models are not that big. Pero yung parang details and build quality niya are as good sa master grade or sometimes even better. Kasi sila yung parang mas bagong, parang mas madalas yung mga bagong design for real grade kaysa sa master grade. Ito yung isa sa mga, siguro ito na design and release to last year, I think. So yun, parang if you want to try it. Go for try for no grade or high grade muna. Tapos if you want a parang a more complicated build, try real grade. Or kung gusto mo mas malaki, high grade. If you have parang unlimited budget, perfect grade. Not sure kung kailan ako magkakaroon ulit ng bagong Gundam, pero when I do, I'll do another video about it. Pero this is my first Gundam in a very, very long time. So yun. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click like. If you disliked it, dislike. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put them in the comment section below. If you want to check out my previous videos, just go to my channel and check out my video library. a like and subscribe would be very much appreciated. And yeah, ayun nga no, tabi ko siya with the dead side. Pero luma na kasi itong action base ko na to eh. So medyo hindi na siya hindi na siya ganun kaganda. Yan natin. Still looking for an Ultron Master Grade kasi yun talaga yung favorite ko na Gundam from the series, the Dragon or the Nataku or Shenlong. So yan, starting out with my Endless Waltz collection with 2 Gundams. So yun, we'll see kung what next week's video will be, pero we'll see. Pero baka wala muna kasi I might be out for a short while at di ako makapag-edit ng video. Pero for now, here it is, my Gundams. So yan, hope you can chill with me again next week when this stay-at-home dad takes another break. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, bye-bye.